Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to change your user ID on Infinix Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are friendly to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. Having opened up your phone setting, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on user ID. And at this point here, simply enter your new user ID. Once you're done, simply click on confirm. So user ID can only be changed once. Verify the password to confirm the change. Simply enter your password right here. Having entered your password, next thing you need to do is to simply click on confirm. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on user ID right here. Then you can cancel the one you have. Next thing you need to do is to enter a new user ID. Then click on confirm. Then enter your login password. Then click on confirm. Successfully changed, as you can see right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your user ID on Infinix Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.